Video mo.
Picture mo.
The little history of the prisoner. So
They're not really prisoner built
No.
making this.
No.
We have that
Video.
expression.
I know most people do.
Video.
It's less exciting than that.
Patay na ako. Patay na ako.
No, our original winemaker was an intern.
Video.
Was an intern down at Mondavi.
Uh-huh.
Right next to me.
Ah,
And they were teaching him how to make Cabernet. And he
it's like oregano. Oregano. Yeah. Parang ganon.
Cabernet, Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc.
Yeah.
Everywhere you go.
Parang may after
And he didn't really want to make the same wine as
Hindi ko
everybody
nakunan
else.
yun.
So the name The Prisoner
Yung
came
sa taas
from him
is
not wanting to be a prisoner
Yeah.
to the
Pickle
valley.
siya. Pero itong sa gitna,
Trying to think
watermelon ba
outside the
yan?
box a little bit. He really liked
Pero may
Zinfandel. He
aftertaste
liked
siya.
red blends. Even though red blends have this kind of negative connotation to them.
Right.
Especially back in like 2000 or
Watermelon.
so when this wine really took off.
Yeah.
No.
It wasn't something you were really going to feature at your wine shop.
May ano,
Especially up
it
here in
is
the South Country, Zinfandel,
Yeah,
red
oregano.
blends, not really going to be shown up.
Mabaw.
But he thought maybe if I'm a little more kind
Oh,
of
meron siyang
intentional
little
about it,
bit
and
oregano.
seasonal with it, I can make this really nice sort of well-rounded red wine that everyone would like. And he was
Pag
right.
lumas yung kasama.
Delicious, everybody loves it.
Mali.
Currently
Gagawa
making
kita ng
red
watermelon.
wine.
Dalal mo kutsara mo
Yeah,
ha.
that's sort of where the name came from.
we got started with